In Omega, your organization may already have a huge amount of information available from ongoing and previous projects, as well as assets. Knowledge Packs makes it easier to access and use the information you already have by letting AI summarize and explain it when you need it. I am Jan Christian.
Yes, and I am Johnny, and we will in this video give you an overview of knowledge packs and show them in action. Omega already contains a lot of valuable information that could be documents, activities, workflows, and other structured data sets like risks, cost data, and so on. What Knowledge Pack adds is a smarter way to use that information. Knowledge Pack lets you combine the content that is related and make it available through AI using the Omega chat features and the AI assistant.
So instead of navigating through different apps and modules, you can ask questions and get helpful answers based on your own project and asset data.
So now I'm in the knowledge pack setup. So here I define the content of the knowledge pack. First of all, I have a description, the title, and instructions to the AI. And here I can also predefine some prompts that can make it easier for the user to have already predefined prompts.
Yeah.
And here I've added documents, activities, and workflows. I can add risks. I can also add the schedules. And I can also have stored procedures that retrieve data from various sources. And of course, also I can say who should have access to this knowledge pack. And Jan, you can explain a little bit about how the security works with the knowledge packs and AI.
Yes, yeah. Naturally, security is something we take very seriously in Omega 365, especially when AI is involved. Knowledge packs stay fully inside your own Omega 365 environment, so it's isolated. Per the customer, no data is shared across our customers or with the public models. Like in our case, it's OpenAI and Microsoft Azure. We do not share any data to them, so the model are not trained on your data.
Yes, good. And as I said, also an important part of this is how you then control who has access to this knowledge packs. And that's what you define here with shared with. Here you can share with individual persons or with persons from group. So then if you have access, these will appear in the AI chat as available knowledge packs. Like here now in the risk register, I want to have some help from the AI assistant. So I go in here. In this case, I want to have some input to potentially identify new risks that we haven't already registered in our risk register. So I can add a knowledge pack. And here I will see those that I have access to. Software risk assessment, and I have some predefined prompts that we made, like this one, detect potential risks. And here in the tooltip, you will see what we are actually asking for, and you will see it coming up here as well. So based on the information, this knowledge pack identify potential risk that is not already registered in the risk register. So now the AI will, you will see, it's transparent what it is actually doing. It's retrieving risk tags, it's analyzing. So of course, it will take some seconds to go through all this information, but here I can see already now it's coming up with some potential risks. And it asks me if I want to, yes, please add risks to the register. I can type like this. Thinking a little bit more, but as you can see here now, it's executing one of these procedures that we have made for the AI tool here. And now I get a list where I can choose which do I want to include in my risk register and have them created.
Yep.
So it's interacting directly with the risk register, as you can see, and it will create the risk directly in the risk register. But of course, I have full control of what's going on, so it's not just adding a bunch of risks without me controlling it. Many of our customers succeeds well in ensuring that risk management involves the whole organization, that users can register potential new risks, that they can follow up mitigating measures and so. But of course, the more users that are involved in the risk register, the consistency of the risk register might suffer. And having good titles, good descriptions could be tricky enough. And with the help of AI, you can improve this. So in this case, I have a question for the AI chat here. I want to have proper titles and descriptions, and if there are any issues with other categorizations of these risks, can improve it. So here it's coming with some suggestion, like in this case, can update the description. It didn't have any description, so it's suggesting a new value for it here. And same with the area. I can filter for those two so that they can see them in the risk register. I can just apply directly, and it will update the risk register directly for me. So that's a nice thing. And also, when registering risks, you also can get help. So if I click on this risk, I have the possibility here to complete the risk details using AI. So it will fill in attributes based on the information that it has available directly in the register for me. So kind of having AI helping you improving the risk register, the quality of it, is also very valuable.
Yeah.
Another thing that is very relevant when it comes to risk management and getting help from AI is assessments. Of course, you might have already done an assessment of the risk, but perhaps you will get some input as AI might have access to additional information through the knowledge packs. So in this case, let's have a look at this risk, and I want to get the help from the AI assistant to assess the risk. I use this capability called risk assessment, and I have some predefined prompts that I can use, assessment. So in this case, if we ask, please do a risk assessment, use the global knowledge as well as internal knowledge from the knowledge packs about this type of threat. So it's also going out there, finding general information that could be relevant, of course, for the risk, but also the data that we have provided in the knowledge pack.
Yeah.
Yes, changed, would like to update this assessment, add new, yes, both consequences and probability should be updated. So it's doing some more thinking, and let's see what it suggests. So it's coming here. It's actually suggesting to add the probability or increase the probability. Yeah, both. So it's still, in this case, having a dialogue with me, what to do with the data. It's open on what it's transparent on what it's doing, and I have full control of what's happening with the risk register. In this case, I want to have a new assessment then. So here you can see that this is the current assessment of this risk when it comes to cost consequences, and this is the suggestion from AI. No change in this case, but here you can see the suggested probability is going from 3 to 4. It's increasing the IT security consequence and also quality consequence. I can choose to use these values just like this, finish assessment, and the assessment is now updated. And it would also, if it didn't agree on which categories that we've used, consequence areas, as we call it in Omega, then it will also add those. So very helpful as part of the assessment process.
The knowledge packs can be added to a chat like we have seen now in the risk chat or risk assessment, but you can also use it in the Omega chat.
Yes, so here we have an example of that. I'm accessing the Omega chat here. It opens this one, and I want to start a new chat. And then I want to add a knowledge pack because I want to use the cost data in this case. So here we have a knowledge pack which retrieves data from our cost data tables, and I can use that. So I also here I have a few predefined prompts. Of course, you can write freely here, but let's use one of those. I want to have earned value, CPI, and cost performance stuff, and also if there are potential risks related to our cost. So here it just telling me what they plan, what AI plan to do. I would like it by AWS level 2, for example. Thanks. Yeah.
And what's great, when you creating your knowledge pack, you're combining now the data from your cost module, risk, schedule,
Yep.
Or any other module within Omega 365.
Yes, and here we can see on this level, it's coming up with CPI, Cost Performance Index, Schedule Performance Index. It's showing the earned value, and it comes with some key elements based on this. So strong performing elements, risks and issues. It's actually, yeah, there's risk of delays to material deliveries on A03A, for example, something that we've registered in our risk register. And here it shows what are the references. That's of course important. You can also ask for, like, if I want to have a chart for this. So here it's planning to create, yes, here's working on it. It picks up the key values that I asked for: plan value, actual cost, and earned value. And now it's about to create a histogram. So it's still analyzing. Let's see. Yep. Nice one, actually. Cool.
Yes.
So yes, the AI chat is also here. I can use also these general knowledge packs. So also from here I could have asked questions about the risk register and other knowledge packs that we have available.
Yep. We are continuing to enhance the knowledge packs features, both in capabilities and a type of data, and where you can use it from within Omega. Thank you for watching, and take a look at academy.omega365.com for more information.